Design a morning that sets the tone for success by getting up sometime between 5 and 6 a.m. As soon as you're out of bed, drink a full glass of water to rehydrate after sleep. Step outdoors for a few minutes of natural light. It helps wake up your brain and regulate your internal clock. For breakfast, focus on a protein-rich meal to keep your energy steady and cravings low. After eating, spend 5 to 10 minutes in stillness, whether that's meditation, deep breathing, or simple gratitude. If your schedule allows, move your body with a short workout to boost circulation and mental clarity. If you like coffee or tea, enjoy a cup to sharpen your focus. Then channel that energy into distraction-free, meaningful work. Later in the day, take time to read something that challenges or inspires you. At lunch, choose a balanced plate with plenty of protein and lighter carbohydrates to avoid an afternoon crash. Make it a habit to step outside again for fresh air. Reach out to friends or family, even briefly. Strong relationships are a key part of a strong life. Dedicate some time to creativity as well, whether that's writing, music, drawing, or any activity that lets you express yourself. In the evening, have a nourishing dinner with quality protein and wholesome carbs. About an hour before sleep, consider magnesium to help your body unwind. Turn off screens to reduce blue light exposure and allow your mind to settle. Before bed, reflect on what went well. Outline your priorities for tomorrow and practice slow breathing to relax your nervous system. Aim to sleep between 9 and 10 p.m. so you can fully recharge. Follow this structure consistently, and over time, you'll build momentum, discipline, and steady personal growth, one intentional day at a time.